Hello everyone. Welcome to a class of Essential Artificial Intelligence tutorial for learning to generate content and images using artificial intelligence. So if you're planning to learn generating content and images using artificial intelligence, then you are in the right place because in this class we'll cover everything to get you started with essential artificial intelligence. Let's take a look what you learned from this class. Introduction to artificial intelligence, getting started with ChatGPT, generating a prompt, custom instructions to ChatGPT, use cases of ChatGPT, ChatGPT used in SEO, understanding Gemini AI, using Gemini for coding, story writing using Gemini in everyday life, generate image using DALL-E, understanding about Midjourney, working with stable diffusion, and after completing this class, you will be able to generate content, generate images, modify existing images, write codes, do SEO. This is a project-based class, so during learning, you will have class project. So what you learn, you will be able to participate in class project and you can do practice while you're learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So let's start learning artificial intelligence for generating content and images together.